how to change Instagram call ringtone. First of all, scroll down the notification panel. Here, tap on gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down a little bit. Here you'll find the option of notifications. Tap on it. Now, here on search bar, search for Instagram application. Simply tap on it. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will find the option of Instagram direct video chat. So tap on it. Here, tap on sounds. A bunch of options will appear here. You can select any one as per your wish. So simply tap on this and again a list of options will appear. Select anyone and here press on OK. In this way, we can select the call ringtone for Instagram as per we wish. I hope you found this video helpful. See you guys in the next video.